Hi, this is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Today we have another package that we're going to open. Do you know what's inside the package? Let's check this out. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Let's open what I got from Japan from Ashton Luxuries. This one is J Ports. They call the company J Ports Kabushiki Gaisha. Sorry for butchering your the name, but this one is all the way from Osaka, Japan. So let's check this out. So this one is a package. I went to Ashton Luxury on Facebook, and it's an auction site that they have a lot of items for you guys to bid on. It's not really a bidding type of thing, but it is a first come first served basis type of thing that he's going to show the products, and then he's go after showing the products, what are the wear and tear of the products, and then what are the flaws of the product, and then he's going to say the price, and then you're going to put a theme for the day. For example, it's the theme of what do you do for before bedtime. So I put melatonin pills. I take melatonin pills, and then the price that he has set, and then whoever came first to their screen, that's the one who will get the product. And then basically you won the product on that particular bidding. So yeah, so now I'm kind of like, I watch it runs for like an hour or two. So they do give you a heads up of what are the products that they're going to have on that particular time. So you know already if you want to bid on a particular product, and so you know if you like to stay on to that or not, because it gives you a head start of what are the things, what are the products that's going to be on the bidding. So this is what they have on here. So this is the J Ports. And that's why I was telling you guys that they do have a live luxury sales every night of the week, so you can get comfy, grab a glass of wine, and But this is what I got, and then I feel like I did a very good job on this one. Remember my big agenda? I'm going to put the link above. Check it out. So this is my big agenda, and I got a little one from them. So this one is a agenda on a monogram canvas print. So this is really nice. So look at that. So this is the big one, just to have a comparison of that. This is the GM agenda, and then this is the PM size agenda. So as you can see, there's a big difference between the two, and of course it's gonna be having a difference on the thickness of it. So just to see the comparison of that, there you go. So what am I going to do with this one? This one, I'm going to probably use this one for my business cards, or it's kind of like for my passports. So this one is Louis Vuitton, made in Spain. And then they do have three credit card slots on this one. There's a flap on the left side and the flap on the right side, and then so it's really nice for a used one. And see the embossed Louis Vuitton on the snaps, and then that one too. There we go. And then so the code, you will see that one on the bottom. It says there CA0978. So this one is in the year of 98. But look at this one, it's still gorgeous. So which is really nice. There you go. I'm trying to really organize my, it's flappy on the both sides, but I think it's natural anyways to have some that. But the canvas, it's really nice. And I only bought this one for $141 for our authentic Louis Vuitton. So what are you waiting for? Just go to Ashton Luxury. I'm not paid to do this one, to endorse them, but I find that it is a really good buy because they're true to themselves. They're true to what you see is what you get type of thing on that particular bidding auction. And look at this one. It's really, this one retails for about $300. I think about $300 on the LV websites. Or if you're going to look for the used one of this one, is like $250, $300. So this is a good buy that I did from J-Ports, from Ashton Luxuries, because this is only $141. I'll show you this so that you know that I'm not kidding about it. So there you go, that's there, $141 on the bottom. And this is the agenda. This is the agenda in the PM size on monogram canvas print. So it's a really gorgeous one. So I hope you like this video. It's just a short and sweet one that I encourage you to go to Ashton Luxury and then find your luxury items in there. And it's so nice, and it's so, and the smell is, it smells like leather. Of course. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. This is Charles, California. Have a wonderful day. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you very much for watching and for supporting me. I love you all, and I will see you again in the next video. Do what makes you happy. Bye bye.